Hey, I'm nationwide ERISA disability attorney Nancy Cavey. I am here at the Milo MacGyver State Park on the Clackamas River. I'm here because I had what's called a meet and confer. And that leads me to the next topic in this series on what happens in the litigation process in an ERISA case. Once the complaint's been filed, once the answer has been filed, the court is going to say, okay, we are going to have a case management conference. And generally what happens is the plaintiff, us, will prepare what's called a case management conference. And that's where we try to agree on what's going to happen in terms of discovery. We're going to agree on various deadlines, including discovery deadlines, mediation deadlines, and trial deadlines. So we're actually sort of staking out our positions for the court. Now, there is always a dispute about the nature of the discovery in an ERISA case. Unfortunately, this is not like a state law case with unlimited discovery. There are circuits in the United States. There are 11 circuits and the DC circuit. And every circuit seems to have their own rules about discovery. And within each circuit, there are states that are comprised of that circuit. And each federal court in the state seems to have their own rules. So there's lots of rules about what we can discover and not discover. But we're setting forth in that case management conference what it is we think our position is in terms of discovery. Of course, I say think because ultimately if there's a dispute, the court will make that decision. But we're also staking out the time deadlines. And that's crucial because you want to have some finality here. These case management conferences can be done in a meet and confer basis, which means we actually have to physically meet and reach an agreement on this, or we can do it by phone. But what's important about this is that ultimately the judge has to approve the case management conference. And sometimes I will tell you that the judges want to conduct some of these case management conferences because they really want to control what's going on. And sometimes you'll have judges who get involved a little later in the process. But the case management conference is nothing that you're actually involved in. It's something that we lawyers do. But you need to know the results of that case management conference. So your lawyer should be reporting to you and sending you a copy of the case management conference report.